You may notice that this kind of images are trending in the social media. These are basically illusion images created by AI. You have closed your eyes over 60% to identify the image. Many are using this technology to increase their social media engagement. If you want to create these kinds of images but don't know how to, then you click on the right video. In today's video, I am gonna share the method of creating this kind of illusion image. Let's dive in. First of all, we need some reference images. I have selected some random images. After selecting your images, you have to remove the background. For removing the background, I will use a free background remover tool, PicWish. Open your browser and search for background remover PicWish. Click on the first link. After coming to the PicWish website, click on the upload image from here. Now upload one of your reference images. It will automatically remove the background from your image. After completing the process, click on the download image and select free image. We can download a lower resolution for free. If you want to remove all image backgrounds in a single click and download the H version, you have to download the desktop version or pay to PicWish. This time I will download the lower version for free. You may have to create an account. It's simple, just sign up with your Google account. After logging in, download the images. After downloading the first image, click on the Ray Upload button and upload the next image. In this way, remove the background from all of the images. Alright, we have removed the background from all the images. Now I will delete the original images to avoid any confusion. After removing the background, open a new tab on your browser and search for Fusion Art AI. Now click on the first link. This is the Fusion Art AI dashboard. You can see some samples of illusion images. Here is the old logo of Twitter. I really feel bad for the classic Freebird. Elon Musk changed the logo to X. However, to start the journey, click on Generate Free now. In the next step, you have to create an account. You can create an account with your Google or Discord account. I will go through it with Google. Okay, this is our illusion creator page. After creating your account, you will get 10 free credits. Every image creation will cost 1 credit, which means you can create 10 illusion images for free. You can create an illusion in 3 methods. First, with pattern. There are some patterns available here. You have to just enter your environment prompt. The AI will create an illusion image for you. Next, the text to illusion. You have to enter your text and prompt. Let's try it. I will youraininja as my text. Then add some prompts. You can generate magic prompts or take inspiration. I will talk about them later. This time let's enter some prompts. After entering your prompt, you can change the aspect ratio. Add some negative prompts. There is an option of enhancing the face, as there is no ace in our image. I will skip it this time. Okay, click on the Generate button to generate the illusion. AI started to do its work. It will take some time. Actually, it takes a long time. I will fast forward this part. I have generated 2 images with the same text, but honestly, I couldn't identify the text. If you find the text AI Ninja, then let me know in the comment section. You can join the AI Ninja Discord server and post your image also. I will put the server link in the description box. Alright, let's come to the image section. Let's see how it works. Click on here or drag and drop your image here. After uploading your image, you can fill the canvas with your image by clicking on Fill Container from here. Now come to the prompt box. Enter a keyword and then click on the magic prompt. AI will generate a professional prompt for you. That's great. Now click on the Generate button. It will take its time. You can grab a cup of coffee this time. And here is the result. And it's really amazing. Although I was a little bit disappointed with the text result. But result with image is just amazing. It really seems like an image of Elon Musk. Click on the download art from here, and then save the image on your device. Okay, let's try some other images. After uploading the image, click on Generate. And here is the illusion image of Mr. Bean. If you close your eyes 70%, you will see exactly Mr. Bean. In the next image, I will use the Inspire prompt by Fusion Art AI and turn on the Face Enhance. That's really amazing. I love the illusion. In this way, you can create an illusion image of your favorite celebrity or your own. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating illusion images with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!